देखिए, बगैर पैसे के क्रिकेट नहीं चल सकती।
There is no question of cancellation of any game or series.
ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है जिस तरह से बीसीसीआई के बैंक खाते बंद किए गए, बैंकों को पेमेंट करने के लिए मना किया गया, स्टेट यूनिट्स को मैचेस कराने के लिए पैसा देने की बात की जाती है तो उस पर प्रतिबंध लगा दिया जाता है।
Routine expenses for matches, games, cricketing activities and other administrative matters, they are not at all restrained.
इन परिस्थितियों में बीसीसीआई क्या निर्णय लेगी, ये स्टेट यूनिट्स को निर्णय लेना है कि वो मैच करवाएंगे नहीं करवाएंगे, किन हालात में करवाएंगे, बगैर पैसों के करवाएंगे, पैसों के साथ करवाएंगे, क्योंकि बैंक खाते सील हैं और बीसीसीआई पैसा देने में अभी तक उनको कोई अनुमति ऐसा नहीं मिली।
There is absolutely no prohibition. There is no constraint. The accounts of BCCI have not been frozen. This is not correct reading of our email. Rather, I would say this is misinterpreting or misconstruing the email about something which it doesn't say.
देखिए, सीरीज के बारे में मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता।
Nobody has contacted. Had they contacted, we would have clarified then and there. Because we find there is no ambiguity in our email. It is unequivocal. Large sum of disbursement to state associations for which decision was taken by BCCI in its meeting on 30th September, that has been put on hold. Nothing beyond that. There is absolutely no constraint on BCCI to go on with routine matters, cricket matches, cricket games, cricket affairs. No, again absolutely wrong. The calendar which has already been settled remains unaffected. Now if Champions Trophy calendar was already settled a year back, obviously our recommendation is not going to affect that. So there is absolutely all those things which automatically stand relaxed. As I told you, nothing should be done that affects the game, and game must go on.